Hi all, this is Rajiv from Get Healthcare. I am going to walk you through on how you can use your account uh, as a business account holder and create your employee account on our website for them to be able to order products. Currently, like we have all the certificates over here. If you look at the menu out here, so we have fit to return, six certificates, and there are other products, but basically we contract with agencies for the product pre-employment medical fit certificate for healthcare employees. Okay, this is very important certificates for most of the agencies. Now, in order to go ahead, we must first log in. We must go to click on login and just add the login details over here. Verify, not a robot. Login. Now we will be able to go. Now we are currently logged in. You can see it's logged out, and we can go to my account section over here. Now this is the main admin account view where you have the additional view to create a multiple account. You can see all the orders that's created by either you or created by any of your sub account holder. Okay, so you can basically create your multi account for your staff or directly for your employee to go ahead and start using the platform. Now basically it's very simple. You just add email over here, testemployer@gmail.com, add their password, add their name, and whatever the designation they are, like nurse, their phone number, and you can just allow them two options on the back end whether they can see the orders. If you allow them to see the order, place orders, basically they can see their own orders. Okay, and view account orders. If I mean with this basically a place order, not the view order. And the second one is basically about the account order, where people, if you allow it, it can see all the orders from different user for this account. So if I create an account, okay, password must be created. So if I create an account, it will show up under this section when I go into the multi account. Okay, this is how it's going to appear. Now they will get an email with the link to log in with their email and password. Now, if you go into different certificates over here, it will say an alert over here that you cannot purchase this product because we allow only those products to be viewed by your candidates, employee or nurse, so that they only make a purchase to that particular product. Okay, we don't really show all the products to them, as we have had complaints in the past where people would, let's say, go and purchase this product for employment, whereas they should be purchasing healthcare as an healthcare employee, where the questionnaire literally depends difference. I mean, there are a lot of difference between them. So we just don't. So every time they go to wrong product, they will get see if this alert, and if they click on the correct product, they can just go ahead and just basically order this. So this is how things go. If any confusion, you can always come back to us on the email. Thanks.